Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just came on today to do a very quick video. Excuse the pillows in the back. But anyways, I came in to do a really quick video update on the Lena cups. I did go back and I ended up purchasing the sensitive large. My original video, I had posted this one, which was the teal small, the Lena small regular flow. And this one is the Lena large heavy flow. So I want to give you guys an update. I saw the messages in my DM. Real quick, they come in these cute little bags. I did boil them to sterilize them, and I'll add clips of that in here. This is the small, and this is the large. See it? This is it in comparison. So, letting you guys see what this is like. You can see the stem of the small is longer, and that's probably because this one dips down deeper. But I will say this, I finally figured out how to get it out quickly. So if it's in, you kind of pull the string, you catch this little piece down here, you push it, and it releases the suction, and then it comes right on out. But to the point, the update, I did use a small cup. I have extra heavy flows. I didn't have any leakage, but I did have to change it a little bit more. So I was like, let me go ahead and purchase the large. And I decided to get the sensitive because I did read online someone saying that they cramped less when they had the sensitive cup, which in my hands, I can tell the difference. This one's a little bit more firm. This one's a little bit more soft. So I could see how you could cramp less with this one. So I did purchase the sensitive large. So the first 4 days of my period, I used the large. The last 5 days of my period, I used the small. I know, y'all, 9 days. My period is very heavy the entire time. But the last 2 days is a little more regular. So I use these. I use this one. Also, I still love it. Like, I really do. Like, this was the best investment I've ever made. I have no intentions of going back to pads, tampons, none of that. I will try some different types of cups just so I can have, like, options. I've really been looking at the Flex cup. If y'all have heard of that or tried it, let me know in the comments. Tell me what you think, your thoughts, if it's even worth me trying. But I did like how they had the little hook and you pull it and it releases the suction. That's what kind of caught my eye. So that is my next thing that I'm going to try out. But the update is it's still great. So all of you have been wondering if I changed my mind, if anything negative happened. No, and no. Thank y'all for tuning in again. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys on my next video.